everyone, this is Viola from AMITIME. Today I would like to introduce our new launched hot heat pump water heater, the AquaSTAR series, to you. It is an integrated heat pump water heater with R290 refrigerant. It is designed to meet the growing demands for the efficient, energy and environmentally friendly hot water solutions globally. To meet the diverse installation and application needs of different customers, AquaSTAR series offers the 3-tank capacity designs, 200 liter, 250 liter, and 300 liter. Additionally, taking into account the usage of different regions, we offer two different types, the side discharge type and the top discharge type, to provide the customer with more options. AquaSTAR offers the efficient and convenient hot water solution for users with its advanced technology and smart features. Firstly, it supports a maximum water outlet temperature of 75 degrees, meeting high temperature hot water needs of household scenarios. Among them, under the condition of ambient temperature of 7 degrees and water outlet temperature of 55 degrees, the 250 liter can achieve a COP as high as 3.11. Secondly, the micro-channel design enhances the heat exchange efficiency, avoiding the common issues such as the corrosion, scaling, and linkage found in traditional water tanks, extending the lifespan of the equipment. Additionally, the AquaSTAR is equipped with the instant hot water function, one touch to turn on the compressor and the inbuilt electric heater, ensuring the instant hot water supply whenever you need it. Finally, the inbuilt 4G and Wi-Fi module ensure the remote control, so users can adjust and monitor the equipment whenever they are and wherever they are, enjoying the intelligent management. AquaSTAR is an innovative and eco-friendly solution that delivers exceptional performance and energy efficiency. With its advanced technology and user-friendly design, it ensures a reliable and comfortable hot water experience for every household. Choose AMITIME Aqua series. Choose a reliable partner with long-term relationship.